Alright, we got our Kingpin 40-inch LEDs installed on my Tacoma TRD Pro. We got one on the back window. This one's done with the 3M tape on the back because I couldn't drill through. And then I've got one there and one there. And what I chose to do was put the dimmer switches, one dimmer switch for each light on the inside, and I didn't need a dimmer switch on this one. So if we turn the back one on, we just hit the power, and this is adjustable. And then if we push this button, it turns on that light. Push this button, turns on that light. And then these are dimmable by just turning this dial right here. And then if you push the actual light, sorry about that, you can change the color to red. So we can switch to red. And then this one, they're all the same light bar. If I just turn the power off on that one. So there you go. So if you're at night, you want the red lights, there you go. Or you can switch it to all white. Just pushing a button, pushing a button, pushing a button. So that's the Kingpin 40-inch LED light set. Really lightens up the back. When I got my Tacoma, I had the factory LEDs put in, but once you put this decked flooring system in, it pretty much covers up all the light, and it's not bright enough when you've got stuff carried on top. Really looking forward to this on our trip to the Yukon in 24 days. Yukon River Quest 2026 and Kingpin lights.